She spent her money. She won it. We didn't care if the man right here, Mr. Bill, won it. Hey, we won't congratulate anybody. We fix to set these fireworks off for you out there, boys. Y'all gonna light them up and watch. There you go. Woo! Shoot them fireworks.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been our pleasure having you here tonight. And please know that we hope you have enjoyed yourself. And when we do 50-50, it's like everything else that Leeds and Lake Post 70 does. It is right down the middle. Please know that. Thank you very much. We hope you've enjoyed it. And God bless you and God bless America.
Is that the boat?
Yeah, that's a boat. There's people on that.
No, I don't think that was supposed to happen. I am. They're all running in the fucking water.
Yeah.
What do you mean they're rolling?
That wasn't supposed to happen.
For real?
No, for real.
That was the fireworks. Fireworks were the whole fun.
Holy shit.
I got that, yeah. Hey, who's got a boat? Better get out there.
For real? That wasn't supposed to happen.
No, hell no, that wasn't supposed to happen.
Oh my God, I hope the man is not down.
Call 911.
Phone. Right here.
Oh,
Nope.
geez, oh God, I hope somebody is calling 911. Oh, please, I hope he's all right.